Today we're going to be looking through the Thorny Devil four-wheel drive and outdoor range. As we all know, sometimes things don't always go to plan when you're out in the trails, and that's where Thorny Devil has got you covered. First off, we have a 9 metre long, 13.8 tonne kinetic rope, perfect for those recovery situations. And then when you're using the winch, we have a snatch block and slip ring for double line pulls and those technical winches. And then for safety, tree trunk protector, and an alternative to those steel shackles, a soft shackle, much more safe. And as we all know, tyre pressure is king, and that's where Thorny Devil has you covered with a range of air compressors, tyre deflators, and a digital pressure gauge. But if you get a puncture, that's where the tyre repair kit comes in. And when it's time to leave your campsite, make sure that you take all your rubbish with you. And that's where we've got the Thorny Devil spare wheel bag. For these and other Thorny Devil products, ask for Thorny Devil at your local four-wheel drive store or go to wildtrak.com.au.